Hello and welcome to the session, and in this session we shall understand as to how you need to answer this important HR interview question. What are the challenges you faced as an engineering student? Obviously, every engineering student would have faced quite a few obstacles while pursuing engineering on campuses, but then through this question, the interviewer really wants to understand the specific challenges and the obstacles that you faced while pursuing engineering. That way, the same question may also be asked like this: that could you describe the obstacles you faced while pursuing your degree? Or the same question may also be posed in this manner: that can you elaborate on the hardships you faced while studying engineering? Or the same question may also be put forth like this: that what were the toughest aspects of being an engineering student? That way, the same question may be asked in any of these ways, but then basically through this question the interviewer wants to understand as to what really were the specific challenges or the obstacles that you faced and actually how you were successful in overcoming it. Anyway, how to answer this question? Let me tell you. Even before I tell you as to how really you need to answer this question in your HR interview, what is more important for you to understand is why is this question actually being posed to you? Well, that way, the interviewer, through your response to this question, is seeking to gain insights into your resilience and determination in handling adversity and bouncing back from setbacks. This evaluation shall allow the interviewers to understand how effectively you can navigate difficult situations and maintain a determined mindset all through. That way, this question allows them to assess your capacity to identify and overcome obstacles, which is definitely a crucial aspect in all engineering job roles. The interviewer, through this question, may also be evaluating your time management skills. After all, engineering programs are known for their demanding nature, and this question provides an opportunity for the interviewer to assess your ability to effectively manage your time and prioritize tasks. Your response will provide insights into how you handled the workload and met the deadlines in a fast paced academic environment. That way, by posing this question to you, the interviewer also is probably trying to assess your problem identification skills. Well, in engineering roles, problem identification and problem solving are the vital aspects, and being able to identify issues is extremely crucial. By sharing your experience and expertise and highlighting the challenges that you encountered shall demonstrate your ability to recognize problems, analyze them, and solve them effectively. Remember one thing, that engineering is such a field that is constantly evolving and shall require professionals to engage in continuous learning and development. By discussing the challenges you encountered and how you overcame them, you demonstrate your dedication to learning and growing as an engineer. This question from the interviewer actually allows you to showcase your proactive approach to acquiring new knowledge and skills, which is highly valued in the engineering industry. All said and done, overcoming challenges requires a strong drive to succeed and a genuine enthusiasm for engineering. By openly sharing the difficulties that you encountered and how you actually approached them, you can convey your unwavering commitment and dedication to your chosen profession. This shall allow the interviewer to assess your level of motivation, passion, and determination, which are the essential qualities for success in engineering roles. Well, that way, any of these could be the possible reasons as to why the interviewer is asking you the question, but then how should you really answer this question? Let me tell you. I shall indeed tell you as to how you need to approach and answer this question, but even before that, what is more important for you to understand is what really are the common mistakes that are normally committed by the freshers while answering this important HR interview question. Well, one such common mistake happens to be mentioning unrelated challenges. Well, the interviewer is obviously interested in understanding the obstacles you faced in your academic journey as an engineer. you should avoid discussing any unrelated personal issues as a response to this question. What I mean to say is that just in case as an engineering student you had fallen in love with somebody and hence faced lot of challenges and obstacles, or just in case you had picked up a fight with either a senior or a junior on the campus due to which you faced lot of challenges and obstacles, should never be provided as a response for this question from the interviewer. Rather, you should be discussing about only such academic challenges that are relevant to the position or the job role that you are being interviewed for. Remember one thing, that by staying on the topic and providing examples of challenges that you faced, you can demonstrate your ability to navigate the unique difficulties and showcase your suitability for the job role. Another common mistakes that normally the freshers commit is blame shifting. What I mean to say is that normally there is a tendency for at least a few freshers to get carried away during the HR interview process and then start blaming the college itself for all of the obstacles and the challenges that they faced during engineering. Well, some freshers could be blaming the inactive placement department, and some others could possibly blaming the quality of the teaching faculty on the college campus. But then please understand one thing, that never should you be shifting the blame on others or on any other external factor. Rather, you should be demonstrating your ability to take ownership of the challenges and find solutions. By doing this, you can showcase your resilience, your problem-solving skills, and a proactive attitude. This shall highlight your professionalism and maturity as an engineering student and a prospective potential employee. One more mistake that is normally committed is overemphasizing minor challenges. What I mean to say is that there is a tendency for a few freshers to communicate that there were a lot of assignments and assessments during engineering which really caused lots of challenges and obstacles. Well, it's a minor challenge and you should never overemphasize it and blow it out of proportion. Or a few others could be complaining about the strictness with respect to the internal marks on a specific college campus, which is also probably a minor challenge which you should never be highlighting as a major challenge or an obstacle. All said and done, it is crucial for you to prioritize and focus only on those challenges that had a significant impact on your growth and development. By highlighting such challenges that truly shaped your experience and contributed to your personal and professional growth, you can provide a more compelling and impactful response that resonates with the interviewer. No doubt, you have to mention the major challenges and obstacles that you faced, but then be extremely careful that merely mentioning the challenges will definitely not be appreciated by the interviewers. It is also equally crucial for you to elaborate on the strategies and the actions that you took to overcome the challenges. You should be sharing the specific steps that you took and the resources or the skills that you utilized to address those challenges effectively. By providing a clear and a detailed account of how you tackled the obstacles, you get an opportunity to demonstrate your problem-solving abilities, your resilience, and a proactive approach to overcoming challenges. All said and done, I do understand that the technical challenges would be one of the major challenges or obstacles that you faced during your engineering, but then it is equally important for you to not just focus overly on the technical difficulties that you faced. It is also equally important for you to be providing a well-rounded answer that encompasses various aspects of your engineering student experience. What I mean to say is that along with the technical challenges, be sure that you are also discussing such areas of challenges such as time management, such as teamwork or communication skills. This shall demonstrate your ability to recognize and navigate a range of challenges beyond just the technical realm. All said and done, any of these could be the possible mistakes that are normally committed by unprepared freshers in their HR interviews. But then, since you are preparing well in advance for your HR interview, that I am sure you would not be committing these mistakes. Anyway, my 5 tips for you to answer this question effectively are these. So, I'm sure that in this session you have indeed been able to understand as to how you need to answer this important HR interview question, and I'm sure in this session you have got an idea of what really needs to be told and how it needs to be told. Well, that way the success in your HR interview predominantly depends upon how well you are prepared, and if you'll really have to enhance your preparedness, all that you have to do is to continue watching this video series. Hope this session was informative. Thanks for watching. Let's meet again in my next session.